If you sell a software online, you selling them globally. That means you have to follow the global rules. If a customer in Germany buys your app for $20, you legally owe the German government 19% of VAT. If you sell to a business, you must validate their tax ID and remove that tax. If you don't do this, then you are technically breaking tax laws in dozens of countries. Plus, European business customers cannot buy a product if you don't provide a valid tax invoice. You're losing sales and risking fines. So you might think, doesn't Stripe do this? Yes, but at a steep price. To handle the tax calculation and automatic invoicing, Stripe charges up to 0.9% extra on every single transaction. If you make $100,000 this year, you'll pay Stripe $900 just to send PDF emails. So, what am I suggesting? Well, simple. This is a compliance engine for your Next.js app. It is a pre built code module that you can copy into your project to handle the hard parts of the global payment. It automatically detects where your customer is, calculates the correct taxes like EU, VAT, or Indian GST, validates their business tax IDs, and sends legal PDF invoices. Think of it like a plug and play tax department for your startup. So you can just stop worrying about EU VAT, reverse charges, and complaint invoices. This drop-in Next.js kit handles the legal complexity for you without the monthly fees Stripe charges. Copy, paste, and stay compliant. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.